Good morning. All right, that, my friend, was a great way to start the morning. A great way to start the morning in the Maldives. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm up early. I got a photo shoot today. We have a photo shoot today. Follow us at RadfordHomes on all social media so you can see up-to-date live footage at RadfordHomes. Talk to you later, folks, from the Maldives. Bye. Good morning. All right, today we're having a photo shoot right here, folks. How y'all doing today? We just want to say we're grateful, we're thankful, we're blessed, we're humble. We're having a great time on vacation in the Maldives.